What is Knime? Knime is a data and AI empowerment platform that helps you understand, automate, and scale your data work. Its intuitive visual environment lets you combine nodes for data access, processing, analysis, and visualization, as well as AI agents, into workflows that suit your goals. A wide variety of nodes means you can tackle projects of any scale and complexity, from simple ETL to advanced machine learning models and AI-powered pipelines. Once your workspace is specified, then you see the entry page in the Knime window. You find a few example Knime workflows you may be interested in. You also see the list of workflows you have worked on recently. If this is the first time you're using Knime, you may not have any workflows listed here yet. No problem, let's create a new workflow. Click the yellow plus, give your workflow a name and click Create. You now see the user interface for window building with the workflow editor in the center and some other options in the side panel. When you start a new workflow, it's a blank canvas with a message, start building your workflow by dropping your data or nodes here. You will start building a workflow in a moment. On the left side panel, there are different tabs. On the Info tab, you can find information about nodes and workflows. On the Nodes tab, you see a catalog of available nodes. On the Explorer tab, you can navigate the contents of your workspace. On the Kai tab, you can access Knime's AI assistant that helps you build workflows. And on the Monitor tab, you can monitor details about errors or warnings in your workflow. At the bottom of the workflow editor is the Node Monitor. This is where you can examine the output of a selected node. Next, let's build a simple workflow. For this simple workflow, we will use one of the example datasets in Knime. Go to the Explorer tab on the left, then double-click to open Example Workflow. You see the content of this folder. Next, open the data, then Basics. There, drag and drop the Excel file Rooms into the workflow editor. You see a new node, Excel Reader, in the workflow editor. This node reads data from an Excel file. Since you dragged and dropped an Excel file into the workflow editor, Knime guessed that you were trying to read an Excel file and automatically added the necessary node for that. Hover your mouse over the Excel Reader node and you see additional buttons in the node action bar. Click the play button on the left. You see the traffic light under the node turns from yellow to green. That means the node ran successfully. In the node monitor below the workflow editor, you can see the data read from the Excel file. It lists an inventory of furniture items. Next, let's add another node to your workflow. Find the output port of the Excel Reader node, the black triangle on the right side, then drag and drop it into the empty space on the right. This opens the Quick Node Adding panel, which lists recommended nodes to use next. From there, select the bar chart node. You see that the bar chart is added to the workflow with a line connected to the Excel Reader node. In Knime, data is passed on from left to right. Each node has an input port on the left and an output port on the right. Consequently, you build your workflows from left to right in the workflow editor. In the current workflow, the output data from the Excel Reader is passed to the bar chart node with the connection indicating the flow of the data. As you can imagine from its name, the bar chart node produces a bar chart based on the input data. Hover your mouse over the bar chart node and click on the magnifying glass on the right. The node runs and opens a new window with a bar chart based on the data. Now you've completed your first visualization of data with Knime. But Knime can do more than just simple data visualizations. You can introduce additional nodes to build more complex data pipelines. Kai, Knime's AI assistant, is a core part of the platform to speed up how you build and learn. When adding a node, switch to Kai build mode and describe what you need in plain language. Kai adds and configures the necessary nodes automatically. And Kai isn't just there when you're stuck. It explains what each step does and helps you grow your skills as you go. You can also access Kai through one of the tabs on the left of the Knime window. So in build mode, it adds and configures nodes for you. And in Q&A mode, it answers your data questions, suggests solutions, and can explain its reasoning, so you're always learning as you work. The workflow you created lives on your computer, but you can upload it to the Knime Community Hub and share it with your colleagues. When workflows live on the hub, they become reusable assets. Your teammates can access, use, and build on them. Admins can review and approve what goes into production. With Knime Pro and Knime Team, you and your colleagues can also execute workflows directly in the browser, with options to automate, deploy, and schedule them. You can also access advanced collaboration features. Congrats! You have just built your first workflow. Where you can build from here is only limited by the questions you want to answer. There's more to explore. Browse through example workflows ready for you as templates and self-paced courses to grow your data skills at every level. When you're ready to go further, the Knime community is full of builders just like you. Welcome! We're glad you're here. Now let's get Kniming together!